Hey everyone, welcome to App and Web Workshop. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to find post drafts on Facebook. Let's get started. Open the Facebook app on your phone. Once you're on the home page, tap the status box at the top where it says What's on your mind. Tap Photo or Video to create a new Facebook post. Select any photo from your camera roll. Now tap the Close button in the top left corner. A prompt will appear. Tap Save Draft to save your Facebook post as a draft. Your post has now saved. To find your Facebook drafts, simply tap the notification icon again at the top of your homepage. Your saved draft will be available there. Click on it and select the post you're working on. After selecting, you can edit the draft, adjust your post audience settings, or add a caption. Once you're ready to publish your Facebook draft post, tap Post in the top right corner and your post will go live. This is perfect for saving Facebook posts you want to finish later or scheduling content in advance. And that's how you find and access post drafts on Facebook. Thanks for watching.